if your iPhone screen won't rotate, there could be several reasons for this issue. So in order to troubleshoot it, firstly access the control center. On an iPhone with Face ID, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and on an iPhone with the home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the control center. Once you have access of control center, look for the rotation lock icon, which looks like a padlock with a circular arrow around it. All you have to do is tap on it to disable the lock. And open an app that supports screen rotation like Safari, Messages or Calculator, and rotate your device to see if the screen now rotates or not. Then the method 2 is to restart your iPhone. After you restart your iPhone, try rotating your iPhone and see if it supports the landscape mode. Now on third, go to the Settings app on your mobile device, and inside Settings, scroll down and tap on the General option available there. Now inside the General, all you have to do is tap on the Software Update and make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. If there is any install or update option available, simply tap on it and update it. If the issue persists, simply go back to the Settings General again, and in Settings General, scroll down till you find the Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and reset all settings. This will not delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, wallpapers and etc. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.